I am excited to share some of the key ingredients in MetaPWR Advantage. This incredible product is one we've been developing for quite some time. Each ingredient was carefully and deliberately chosen, contributing something special for truly amazing overall results. Before we jump in, remember that aging happens from the inside out. It's rooted at the cellular level. You may be familiar with this principle from previous videos in the course, but the concept is simple. If your cells are young and healthy, that manifests on the outside. If your cells are struggling or damaged beyond their years, that also manifests on the outside. Your biological age, as opposed to your chronological age, is determined not by the number of years of your life, but rather by how well your cells function and what they do for your body. This is at the heart of MetaPWR Advantage. The ingredients give you an advantage on a cellular level. Let's look at yeast powder NMN first. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, is a vital precursor in the biosynthesis of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, which is a coenzyme found in every cell in your body. While NAD+ serves numerous functions, the most critical are metabolic processes and mitochondrial function. NAD+ converts food into energy and offers protection to your cellular energy factories. Without sufficient NAD+ levels, cells aren't able to generate the energy to survive and carry out their functions. By the time we reach age 50, NAD+ levels are generally half of what they were at age 20. This decrease can contribute to various health challenges, like difficulty managing weight and lower energy levels. By supplementing with the naturally derived NMN found in MetaPWR Advantage, you can support your body's ability to produce NAD+, optimizing metabolic health. Basically, NAD supports ATP production, which may be a bit of a callback to high school biology. In case you don't remember, ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and it's like the energy of your cells. NAD supports ATP production, which is one of the reasons it's so important. So, with NAD production going down with age, the NMN ingredient becomes so valuable. It supports your NAD levels, which in turn supports so many bodily processes. Other ingredients to highlight are resveratrol, rose apple extract, ceramides from rice, red-orange complex, sea buckthorn, biotin, hyaluronic acid, and liposomal vitamin C. According to preliminary studies, red-orange complex and sea buckthorn are both polyphenol antioxidants, but more confirming clinical research is needed. You may remember antioxidants fight free radicals and prevent oxidative damage and stress to your cells. Next, liposomal vitamin C. Liposomal vitamin C is important because it not only encourages the fibroblasts of your body to synthesize new collagen, but it also stabilizes the collagen fibrils in your body via hydroxylation. As a chief component of the extracellular matrix, hyaluronic acid plays a similar role in maintaining the integrity and health of your skin. Its unique ability to absorb and retain water helps prevent dry or damaged skin. Sometimes you'll see this manifested as dry, scaly, or wrinkled skin. I hope you love this new product as much as I do. MetaPWR is an amazing product system, and we can't wait to keep sharing more about it with you throughout this course.